You are watching Crescent English Kids TV. Hello kiddos, how are you all? Today we are going to learn about some birds' name. Come on, let's get started. But before that, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Guess the first bird? Crow. Did you find it? This is toucan. Rooster. Seagull. Robin. Guess this bird? Correct. Hornbill. Did you find it? This cute little bird's name is Nightingale. Osprey. Blue jay. Cardinal. Bald eagle. Oh, how beautiful this bird is. This bird is finch. Albatross. Kestrel. Wren. Grebe. Cormorant. Spoonbill. Gannet. Warbler. Thank you for watching. For more videos, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video. Until then, bye.